Now I will find out axial force. So what is the axial force? So this direction axial. Why is the axial? Because this is my axis. This is in line of the axis. So this is the axial force. So we will find out now. Then to find out axial force, what we have to find out, instead of del VW, I have to find out del VWA. Del VWA. Because this is in this direction. This is in this direction. This is the blade direction. This is the blade direction. Blade is moving in this direction, and this is perpendicular to the blade. So blade is moving like this. Blade is moving in this direction, and this is the perpendicular. So this is the perpendicular directions. So del VA. Now we have to find out del VA. What is the change in velocity in axial directions? Axial direction. Then what is the V? That means it is the VA1 minus VA2. What is the VA1 minus VA2? What is the absolute velocity at the entry? What is the absolute velocity at the V1? তাহলে এদিকে if this is the absolute velocity, তাহলে VA1 টা will be which one? So this will be our VA1. So this part will be our VA1. So this is the VA1. This is the VA1. V1 এর ডাইরেকশনটা কোন দিকে? এদিকে. This is the VA1. এর ডাইরেকশন কোন দিকে? নিচের দিকে. So next this. So this, because this is the V1 in this directions. So VA1 will be also in this direction. Then what is the VA2? So this is the VA2. This is the VA2. This is the VA2. So the V1 what I can write it? V1 I can write this is V1 sin alpha minus V2. What is the V2? If this angle is delta, we can write it V2 sin delta. But we will not use this equation. V1 sin alpha and VR1 sin beta 1 same. You see, if you consider this triangle, ABD, what is the perpendicular? Perpendicular is V1 sin alpha. If I consider this triangle ABC, what is the AB perpendicular? VR1 sin beta, but both are same. So that means I can write V1 sin alpha and VR1 sin beta, both are same. Similarly, VR2 sin delta and sin beta 2, both are same. Because this perpendicular direction, if we consider this triangle or this triangle, this, yes. ডেল্টাটা এটা নিলাম, আমি একটা অ্যাঙ্গেল দিয়ে দিই না, কারণ V1 এর অ্যাঙ্গেলটা কত? V1 কত অ্যাঙ্গেল করেছে? হাউ মাচ অ্যাঙ্গেল? আলফা। VR1 কত অ্যাঙ্গেল করেছে? বিটা 1। VR2 কত অ্যাঙ্গেল করেছে? বিটা 2। একটা অ্যাঙ্গেল দিয়ে দিই V2। এই V2 এর অ্যাঙ্গেলটা এখন দিলাম ডেল্টা। ওকে, চারটে ভেলোসিটি আছে। ইনলেটে V1, VR1, এক্সিটে V2, VR2। V1 কত অ্যাঙ্গেল করেছে? ব্লেডে ইন দ্য ডাইরেকশন অফ দ্য ব্লেড আলফা। হোয়াট ইজ দ্য VR1? হাউ মাচ অ্যাঙ্গেল হ্যাজ মেড? বিটা 1। তাহলে VR2 কত অ্যাঙ্গেল করেছে? বিটা 2। তাহলে V2 কত অ্যাঙ্গেল করেছে? ডেল্টা। তো ডেল্টাটা আমরা ইজ নট রিকোয়ার্ড বলে এতক্ষণ দিয়ে দিই। লেট আস সি V2। সো বাট এই ইকুয়েশনটা উই আর নট ইউজিং। yes এই যে ট্রায়াঙ্গেল, আমি যে এই ট্রায়াঙ্গেলটা নিই, আর সেটাই তো আমি বলছি, আমি যে এই ট্রায়াঙ্গেলটা নিই, এই ট্রায়াঙ্গেল ABD, আমি এখানে আবার করছি, আমি এই ট্রায়াঙ্গেলটা নিচ্ছি। এটা কত হচ্ছে? এটা হচ্ছে V1, তাই না? আর এটা হচ্ছে VR1। এই অ্যাঙ্গেলটা কত? আলফা। আর এটা কত? বিটা 1। তাহলে ABটা কত হবে? If I consider this triangle, বড় triangle, what will be this one? This is the V1, this is the perpendicular, এটা তো perpendicular। তাহলে এই সাইডটা কত হবে? If you consider the bigger triangle, কত হবে এটা? V1 sin alpha হবে না? V1 sin alpha। এবার যদি আমি ছোট ট্রায়াঙ্গেলটা নিই, তাহলে এটা বিটা 1, এটা VR1, তাহলে এটা কত হবে? এই ট্রায়াঙ্গেল থেকে এটা কত হবে? This is also VR1 sin beta 1। কিন্তু দুটোই তো কাকে রিপ্রেজেন্ট করছে? এদিকে। তাহলে V1 sin alpha and VR1 sin beta 1 সেম। ওকে ওকে So that's why, because this perpendicular altitude is same. Whatever you consider this triangle or this triangle, altitude is perpendicular is same. So that's why V1 sin alpha and VR1 sin beta 1 same. But I know VR1 are here, in this cases VR1 and VR2 same and beta 1 or beta 2 same. তাহলে এটা কি হয়ে যাবে? So both will cancel. So here there is a axial force. So change in velocity. So in these cases change in velocity will be, there is no, so this part will become, that means change in velocity in the axial direction equal to 0. Why 0? Because this height and this height are same. That is VA1 and VA2 same. Why? Because there is no losses. VR1 and VR2 is same. So that's why here our axial change in velocity in axial is 0. Then what is the PA? PA is equal to m dot into del VA. Into del VA to 0. There is no axial force. There is no axial force. Then what is the resultant? Yes. না নট অনলি সেম না, আরেকটা যদি ফ্রিকশন থাকতো তাহলে কি হতো, VR2 অনেক ছোট হয়ে যেত, তাহলে VA1 আর VA2 সেম হতো না। ওকে, suppose this is let me clean another way. Suppose our triangle was like that. Suppose VR1 is equal to not equal to VR2, তাহলে কি হবে? So friction is there, so here the blades friction is there. তাহলে এখানে ঢুকছে কত ভেলোসিটিতে? VR1. How much velocity is it is exiting? VR2. Friction is there, তাহলে obviously VR2 will become less than VR1, because when ঢুকছে VR1, friction is there in the blades, তাহলে VR2 due to friction some velocity will be reduced, তাহলে VR2 will be less than VR1. তাহলে এখানে ট্রায়াঙ্গেলটা কি রকম হবে? Then what will be our velocity diagram? So our velocity diagram will be, at that cases will be like that. So this is our inlet velocity diagram. So this is the V1 and this is the VR1 and this is the VV, but VR2 টা ছোট, but VR2 is small. তার মানে আমার কি হয়ে যাবে? So this is my VR2 and this is the V2. তাহলে এখানে VA1 কত হলো? This is, আর এখানে VA2 this is. তাহলে এখানে VA1 আর VA2 ডিফারেন্ট, তাহলে এখানে কি আসবে? সো এখানে অ্যাক্সিয়াল ফোর্স আসবে, because now m dot into VA1 minus VA2, but VA1 আর VA2 সেম নেই। বুঝা গেল? Okay, so if the blades are not, you are correct, if the blades beta 1 not equal to beta 2 or VR1 not equal to VR2, তাহলে axial force আসবে। Okay, axial force আসবে, but here both are same, beta 1 and beta 2 are same and VR1 VR2 same, so that's why there is no axial force. So tangential force is, so axial force here 0, we can say axial force is 0. So axial force is 0. Tangential force, how much we have found out? That is the tangential force, how much earlier we have found out? Tangential force how much? 1080 or 810 Newton. Now what is the diagram power? WD, diagram power. This is called diagram power. Today I am showing the technique. Now you can do diagram power. Diagram power is equal to force, I know. So force into, what is the power? Power is equal to force into velocity. What is the force? PT. What is the velocity? VV. VV is the blade velocity. I know. So what is the tangential force? 810. What is the blade velocity? Blade velocity কত ছিল? 400 is given. তাহলে what will be the power? Power will be so much watt. But it will be very big figure, so divided by 1000, so it will be come in kilowatt. So how much kilowatt it will come? How much kilowatt it come? So it will come 324 kilowatt. That means that is a power. WD dot. This is called diagram power. So diagram power has come how much? 324 kilowatt. That means this turbine has produced this stage 324 kilowatt. So diagram power I have found out. Now our last thing, what is the diagram efficiency? So this is the output. The turbine has produced so much of power. This is the output. Right? So this is the blade. It's a blade chilo. This is our blade and this is our nozzle. This is the nozzle. This is the moving blades. So moving blades has produced how much power? 324 kilowatt. But what is the input energy? What is the velocity from the nozzle I have given? Now that we will find out. So okay. Now we will find out diagram power. The power produced by the turbine has produced 324 kilowatt. So that we have found out. Now we will find out the diagram efficiency. Obviously, diagram efficiency is nothing but output by work output by input, work output by work input, or energy input, energy output, energy input. Okay, now work output already you have found out. That is the found out. Now work input, what will be the work input or energy input or energy input? কত ছিল, কত এনার্জি নিয়ে আসছিল স্টিম? হাফ m dot v square, half m dot v square 1. So much of energy it was coming. So if it is coming so much of energy, so half m dot কত ছিল? 0.75. v1 what is the velocity? Velocity কত ছিল? 1000 না? So velocity was 1000. So this is our energy input. What is our energy output? Work output.